In this video, we are going to learn how to change units. So, in order to do that, go to Window, then Model Info, click on Units. So, there are here different options available. We have the options for measurement units and for the angle units. First, let's look at the measurement units. From here, you can choose between architectural and decimal, engineering and fractional. As you can see, no matter what kind of template you have chosen in the beginning, you can always change the units from here. From here, the display precision can be changed up to 6 decimals. By the way, according to the format which you have chosen, you will get a display format. So, for example, if you choose for architectural, you will get display precision in fractional. Since we are going to work in meters during this course, let's leave it to decimal. Let's make sure that the display precision is on 2 decimal and the length in meters. The display precision is actually what you will see in the measurement box down here. It is currently on 2 decimal, that's why it is showing 2 decimals.